There's been a lot of good economic news over the last week plus. 2 Thursdays ago, U.S. automakers reported a 24% year-over-year increase in March new car sales. On Friday, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported an increase of 162,000 non-farm payrolls for the month of March, the first positive payrolls month in quite a long time. Responding to the report on Monday, National Bureau of Economics Research Council member Jeff Frankel, an economics professor at the University of Harvard, said the recession is over. Now this is significant because Frankel is a member of the NBER, which dates the beginning and end of recessions. On Wednesday, home furnishing retailers Bed Bath & Beyond reported a spectacular quarter. Same-store sales were up 11.5%, resulting in a 60% increase in net income for the quarter ended February 27, 2010. And on Thursday, retailers reported surging same-store sales for March, with Nordstrom's up 17% from the year-ago period, Saks 13%, and Target 10%. Just blowout numbers. Now, by all indications, the first quarter earnings, which kick off next week, are going to be superb. The first quarter of 2009 was the nadir of the recession, and with the economy picking up strength, not only are there positive comparisons, but the economy is better, and so it all combines to suggest some really gaudy numbers that we're going to see for the first quarter. That said, the market has moved quite a bit in anticipation of these good numbers, and it's not clear to me, or it's not clear that even those good numbers are going to result in a move higher. They could, but the market action is going to be important to determine if all that is already in the market. Now, last week, I was also able to calculate our first quarter returns, and I was also able to figure out what our returns have been for the last 12 months, which has been the period of underperformance for Top Gun. If you look at the attached chart, you can see that the Dow Jones Total Market Index is up about 50% over the last 12 months. That's an index that represents large, medium, and small cap U.S. stocks traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and I think some on the Amex, the Nasdaq and the Amex as well. And Top Gun over that period, unfortunately, is down 2.5%. So it's been a dramatic period of underperformance, and I'm trying to come to terms with that and trying to understand that this cyclical bull market could be of more duration and more magnitude than I had previously thought. That's why I'm considering shifting our stance from neutral, which we've been since early February, to slightly bullish for the short term, to try and trade a little bit on the upside since the momentum is just so compelling. I kind of feel like Warren Buffett during the last hurrah of the go-go bull market, the so-called garbage market of 1966 to 1968. In the middle of that bull market, Buffett wrote to his partners, "I am out of step with present conditions," October 9th, 1967. 18 months later, Buffett said, I can't take it anymore, and in May 1969, he wrote to his partners that he was shutting down the partnership and would be dispersing funds to his partners. "I am not attuned to this market environment, and I don't want to spoil a decent record by trying to play a game I don't understand just so I can go out a hero." Letter to partners, May 29th, 1969. Over the next 12 months, from May 1969 to May 1970, the Dow Jones tanked, dropping 36%. So hang in there, friends. I might be out of tune with present conditions for the moment, but Top Gun's best days are still ahead.